everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise number 6.1 in the chapter integer, question number 7. So question is, write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. That is the question. So the question number 7 says, write the integers between the given pairs. So, in small classes you studied about the between numbers. So, the same method you can apply in this question. The first given pair is 0 and minus 7. So, before doing the question, you can find which integer is smaller in the given pair. In this question, the given pair is 0 and minus 7. One is a negative integer, other is 0. So, you can easily identify which one is smaller. Okay. So, the given pair, the negative integer, that is the smaller one. So, you can first write the smaller one, minus 7, and you can find the integers between the minus 7 and 0. The question specifically says that write them in an increasing order. So, first you can write the smaller one and you can go through an increasing order. So, you can write first minus smaller one and then go to greater one, that is 0. So, the answer will be minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So, these are the integers between minus 7 and 0. So, before doing this question, first you can identify the smaller integer. That is the main task. Because the question says write them in an increasing order. So, first you can write the smaller one. Okay, children? Coming to the question number B, the given pair is minus 4 and 4. So, here you can identify which integer is smaller. So, the given pair, one is negative integer, another one is positive integer. So, easily you can answer minus 4 is the smaller integer. So, you can find the integers between minus 4 to 4. So, the answer will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the between numbers in between minus 4 and 4. Coming to the question number C, the given pair is minus 8 and minus 15. In this pair, both are negative integer. So, first of all, you can identify the smaller one. So, in this question, which one is smaller? The smaller one is minus 15 because the value of negative integers go from 0 to left side of the number line. It will be lesser. So, minus 15 is the smaller one. Okay. So, we can find the between numbers in between minus 15 and minus 8. Okay. So, the answer is minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. These are the between numbers in between minus 8 and minus 50. Go to the question number D. The given pair is minus 30 and minus 23. Both are negative integer. So, you can find the smaller one. So, in this pair, minus 30 is the smaller one. First you can write the minus 30, then minus 23. You can find the integers between minus 30 and minus 23. The answer will be minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24. These are the numbers in between minus 30 and minus 23. So, we have written the integers between the given pairs. Thank you. Question number 8. A. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. So, here the question says write 4 integers greater than minus 20. Minus 20 is a negative integer. So, we should write the greater numbers of minus 20. For example, it is this is a number line. Here 0 and here on the left side of the 0 we can mark the minus 20. So, all the numbers right to the minus 20 up to 0 are the greater numbers of minus 20. Out of these numbers, any 4 number you can write as a greater number of minus 20. So, it will be minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, minus 16. Okay, this is the one pair. You can write another pair in between minus 20 and 0. Okay, another pair is minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. Both are correct because you can find the greater number of minus 20. So, it will be the integers between minus 20 and 0. So, you can write any pair of the greater number of minus 20. To the question number B, write 4 integers less than minus 10. So, you have to write the 4 negative integers lesser than minus 10. So, you know that this is a number line, this is 0, this is minus 10. So, you can move from minus 10 to left side of the number line. You should find the lesser integers of negative integer. So, one thing you remember, in a number line, we are going to move from 0 to left side of this number line. The value of negative integer become lesser. That rule can be applied in this question. So, first you can move left to minus 10. First integer on left side of the minus 10 is minus 11. So, next is minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. These are one set of integers lesser than minus 10. You can write another set. Okay. That is minus 20, minus 21, minus 22, minus 24, 23, minus 24. Any pair, or you can make another pair. Minus 30, minus 31, minus 32, minus 33. These all pairs are correct because the question is 4 integers less than minus 10. So, on the left side of the minus 10, we cannot identify or we cannot count the integers lesser than the minus 10. So you can use any pair as an answer. Okay, thank you children.